allow me to leave everyone with just a short reflection. We began this morning with words embracing God's design. And perhaps, after everything we have heard today, we can understand that embracing God's design does not mean that family life will always be easy. It doesn't mean that there will never be difficult decisions. It doesn't mean that every couple will have the same circumstances. It doesn't mean that we will never struggle. But perhaps it means something simpler. We choose not to face these things alone. We learn to listen to one another. We learn to understand the gift of our bodies. We learn to respect life. We learn to make decisions together as a couple. And most importantly, we learn to trust God's plan for marriage and family. And that is not meant to diminish our freedom, but to lead us toward a deeper kind of love. A love that is responsible, a love that is generous, a love that respects the dignity of the other, and a love that remains open to the beautiful mystery of life. So to everyone who gave